go. All right, so what we're going to do here, you're going to open up Capstone, and you're going to click on Video Analysis. Once you've clicked on Video Analysis, it's going to bring up this box here where you can find the video you have. In this case, I've already trimmed my video to here. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to open it up. This brings it into Capstone. I like to make it bigger, so I just kind of pull it off to the side here. Okay, the next thing I want to show are the three tools that we're going to use here. The first one is an axis tool. I'm going to turn that off for now. The next one is the calibration tool. Okay, this is this little caliper kind of looking thing over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my height as the kind of the standard for my video. Okay, I know how tall I am, so what I do is I put the top here at the top of my head and over here at the bottom of my foot. I then click on this, and I am 1.86 meters tall. All right, so you will have to convert your, feet, inches, whatever, into meters. Actually, it's not entirely true. You can change here to feet if you like. But at any rate, I've just set this up. Okay, so once I've set up this is called calibrating it. Once it's calibrated, you don't need to do this again. So I'm going to actually turn this off, and it goes away. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push play, and I'm going to try to find where I first start to push off the ground. Okay. Right here, I'm still going down. Oh, I just started going up there. So that's where I'm at my lowest point. I'm going to set this as my 0 axis. So what I'm doing here is I'm bringing my axes up, and I'm going to use the top of my head as my reference point. That's what I'm always going to click on to do that. Okay, so I've calibrated, then I've set my 0 point here at the top of my head. I'm going to turn off this tool. Next thing I'm going to get is this magnification. This just helps zoom in on the places that I want to click on. But basically, the first time I click is just telling it that, hey, I want to do some data collection. Notice the next time I click, if you look down here at the time, you'll notice it starts to move forward. So it moved to the next frame, next frame, next frame. So what I'm doing is I'm simply clicking on the top of my head while I'm moving up. And it gets a little blurry. I don't know how good your cameras are. Maybe it won't be quite as blurry. But basically, I'm clicking on this until I get to the very top. And I'm about to the top. Oh, and I'm starting to come down. So I'm going to go just a couple clicks past where I'm definitely sure that I went the whole way up. And basically what's happened now is the data has been collected from our video, and it's graphed over here on a Y position versus X position graph. Well, I can change that to anything I want, for example, time. And here is what my position versus time graph actually looks like. And of course, I can adjust this to any type of graph that my little heart desires. So that's basically what we're going to do for today. Of course, there's a little bit more to it than that, but that is going to be how we start that out.